One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name.
Kita lagi di Bromo. Suhunya 15 derajat malam ini.
Jam berapa?
Jam 2:30.
Oke.
Kita mau naik, mau lihat sunrise. Oke?
Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call.
Kita sudah sampai di bawahnya Seruni Point. Kita sekarang mau naik 1,5 kilo kata bapaknya. Ada di sini. Jadi kalian kalau mau naik di sini bisa naik jalan kaki atau kalian bisa naik kuda. Berapa Pak kalau naik kuda Pak? 200.000. Jadi kalian bisa pilih naik kuda. Kalau enggak jalan kaki, jalannya naik sebelum kita ketemu tangga. Oke, kita jalan dulu.
Can't forgiveness meant what we.
Kita udah sampai di atas sekarang. Ya itu, lihat itu titik poinnya di atas. Ya di sini kalian juga bisa nemu toilet, sama ada yang jual-jual snack atau minuman-minuman hangat. Jadi kalian bisa sambil nunggu, bisa makan pop mie, bisa sambil minum minuman hangat sambil nunggu sunrise. Ya, kita mau ambil foto sama video sunrise habis ini. Setelah itu kita mau turun ke bawah lagi. Oke, let's see.
A chance to rebuild what was won. With honesty guiding my stride this time. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name.
Ya, kita udah nonton sunrise tadi, dan hari ini drone kita nyangsang di pohon untuk pertama kalinya. Tapi untungnya masih bisa kita ambil sih, jadi masih aman ya. Ya, di belakang kita bisa kalian lihat sendiri view-nya. Wow, this is the one reason you should visit Indonesia. If you are come from the other country, you should definitely come visit here. Oke, jadi kita sekarang ada di Gunung Bromo. Kita udah ada sunrise. Di sini sunrise-nya kalian bisa masuk free tanpa bayar ya. Yang pasti kalau kalian ingin sewa-sewa kayak sewa karpet atau sewa pot untuk duduk, kalian harus bayar sekitar Rp20.000. Untuk makanan kurang lebih sekitar Rp15.000. Untuk kayak minuman seperti Energen atau Milo hangat, kalian bisa dapat harga Rp8.000. Overall harganya cukup oke di sini dan kita bisa nikmati suasananya. By the way, ini sekarang masih jam 5 dan suhunya masih 9 derajat. Anginnya cukup kenceng, jadi di sini cukup dingin sekali. Oke, kita habis gini akan lanjut ke petualangan selanjutnya. Jadi stay tune, jangan lupa untuk komen, like, dan subscribe channel YouTube kami. Oke, see you.
A chance to rebuild what was won. With honesty guiding my stride this time. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name.
Oke. Kita sekarang udah ada di Probolinggo, di Pelabuhan Tanjung Tembaga. Jadi kita sekarang mau nyebrang, kita mau snorkeling ke Gili apa? Gili Ketapang, ya, Gili Ketapang. Jadi di sini kita ada dua pilihan ya, lebih tepatnya kalian bisa ikut open trip yang dimana itu gabungan sama orang banyak dengan harga 100.000 per orang, atau kalian bisa sewa kapal sendiri, private. Nah, kalau open trip biasanya itu berangkatnya jam 9 pagi. Tapi kalau private, kalian bisa tentuin sendiri kalian mau berangkat jam berapa. Tapi yang pasti kalau kemarin saya lihat di jadwal, itu jam 5 sore, kapal sudah harus balik ke Probolinggo dari Gili Trawangan. Dan kurang lebih kita akan spend waktu di sana kurang lebih sekitar 4 jam, 4-5 jam. Dan katanya sih juga udah include makan siang nanti di Gili Ketapang sana. Jadi seperti apa, nanti kita mau snorkeling, kita mau cobain semua di sana, kita juga mau shoot video. Ya, ikuti saya, ikuti kami juga. Jangan lupa untuk selalu subscribe dan komen dan juga like video ini. Oke? Yuk, ikut.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest.
Udah sampai di Gili Ketapang. Ya. Kita mau jalan. Mau kemana, Mas? Ke rest area dulu. Ini sama Mas Muhammad, guide kita nih. Ya, perjalanannya 45 menit dari kota Probolinggo. Kapalnya pelan, goyang-goyang, tapi welcome to Gili Ketapang, men.
And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you, you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it, a love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like
Oh iya ya, saya kan ya, dapat toh. Oh, lumayan lah.
Oke guys, jadi kita udah selesai snorkeling. Waktunya makan siang. Oh, cemon. Waktunya kita makan siang sekarang. Jadi ketika kalian bayar 100.000 itu udah include snorkeling, udah include transport PP, sama include makan siang. Nah, ini makan siangnya ya. Ada ikan, tahu tempe, cak kangkung, sama sambal. dan juga nasi. Lumayan lah untuk makan siang ya. Jadi kita mau makan dulu, habis itu nanti kita mau balik.
And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like